Fine as hell, thick as fuck. Oh my god, that's my baby.
What's goody, bitches? So I just got this Amazon package, which, bitch, I've been waiting for. I ordered it yesterday. I just got it, bitch. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this. I'm about to open it. I'm gonna review when I get back because right now a bitch is about to go to the motherfucking gym. Yeah, see me? Yeah, I'm going to the gym. So I'm gonna just open it right now because the bitch is dumb excited. And I'm gonna do a review when I come back from the gym. Cause bitch, I'm so fucking excited. So I just opened the box. Ooh, bitch. Hey! Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Eee! So excited. Alright, bye. Alright, hey guys. So I recently came back from the gym and I took a shower and all that, and now I am finally going to try this. I had opened it because I had to put it to charge. I thought it was like, I don't know, some pluggable shit, but apparently I have to put it to charge, which I already did. It comes with 6 different caps and we're gonna try it right now. Well, I'm gonna open my pores with some steam. We're gonna do this the ghetto way because bitch, I don't got no fucking steamer. So I bought some hot water and I'm gonna just put my face over it. Be right back. So here I am getting the steam. Pretty hot. But yeah, we're gonna do it. So I definitely don't know how long you're supposed to be steaming your face for, but I stopped. And I'm about to just turn it on. This is what it looked like. I used it on my boyfriend before. So now I'm just gonna clean that and use it on me. And then I'm gonna change the capsule to see the difference. Okay. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different settings. So I'm gonna put it at the highest one and give you the real. So let's see. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer. Okay. You see that shit? My eyes definitely just got watery. So I'm definitely gonna put the suction a little bit down. I'll put it at the second one. Oh my god, look at my nose. And I heard also in the reviews that it does do this. So in me, it's definitely working way better than my boyfriend's. You see my nose though? I mean, my eyes is watery as fuck, but like beauty hurts. So I definitely think it's working though. So I'm gonna put the suction on a little bit more because even the second power, oh my god. You see that shit? So the suction power, the first one for me, is just right. Because even that shit is hard. Yeah, well, You shouldn't want to turn off. Okay. So before I change the capsule, I'm gonna give some reviews. Definitely think the suction power is very strong. So definitely should be careful with that. People in the review said that you will have a lot of redness and it draw your blood really quick. So I'm not kind of paranoid about that. And all right, now I'm gonna see how you change this. Or just put it off. Use this napkin. Wow, let me show you this before I move on. And I can see some of my blackheads in there. Sadly, you guys can't. Let me try to do this. Y'all see that shit? I would definitely recommend, if you're having some trouble getting those stubborn blackheads out, look. Alright, so now I'm again try to, okay, so it's a twist on and twist off type of thing. So I'm gonna put this one next, which is very concentrated. I'm gonna show you why I say that right now. Alright. Baby! Babe! Never mind. Okay. So this one, look, it just has that little, you know, space to be putting through. The other one was wider, so you understand what I'm saying? Then you just twist it on. This is the other one. As you can see, it's much wider. Yeah. I'm gonna turn this one on. I'm gonna put it in the first setting again because shit was strong. Okay, so with this one, you can go a little up with the volume because, yeah, it's not that, it don't feel the same as the first one. This one feels way much softer. So I'm gonna put this one in the highest setting and see what's up with that. So even with the highest suction power, it doesn't go that. Yeah. I think it's a pretty good product though. I will use this one mostly right here because the big one can't really fit there. And I will use this one on the tip of my oil right here. I would definitely say it works though. So I'm not gonna try any more of the capsules because we already understand the gist of what it does. So I'm just gonna give my final review right now. I love it! I really genuinely love this product. Like, I've been dying to buy it. My boyfriend knows I've been talking about it every day. I've been watching mad different reviews on YouTube and I wanted to create my own. And I'm happy that I got to do that. So, yeah. I know this is a very short video, and I just want to say thank you for tuning in. If you did, hopefully you will buy this product if you feel like you have some whitehead, blackheads, or anything else this can help you with. Generally like it. This is not sponsored at all. I don't get paid for this. I just buy this and review it. I don't know who wanted this out there. I just post it because I want to post it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys are interested in a skincare routine, let me know because this shit looking bomb. I use all of my friend's products. Her name is Ashley, and she started her own skincare line, which is the best. My skin has taken such a drastic change thanks to her. Bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with a friend that you know has a lot of blackheads, because I don't know, you can help her. But subscribe, follow my social media. Have a blessed night.